I got into this field pretty much out of high school, I would say. I just kind of stumbled into it, and as soon as I got into it, I saw the different positions that were involved in the process. And I really just kind of set my eyes on, hey, this is something that I feel like I can get on board with and really start to just put in the hard work and put in the time to work myself up those ranks and just do whatever I needed to do to learn whatever I needed to and just become a better person at the end of the day.